Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
So we'll demonstrate here on a 2016 Ford F-150 that we have here, guys. But even if you have a different need, it may work as well. You have two different fuse boxes. We'll need to work on the fuse box that's right under the hood, and when you open the hood on your F-150, okay, let me zoom in a little bit. If you look right behind the car battery, this is the 12-volt battery, you have a fuse box, guys. That fuse box right there. You remove that lid, that cover, and once you open the fuse box, you have a layout that looks just like that. That's the front of the truck, that's towards the windshield. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste your time and money.
So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out.
So guys, you can see you have different kinds of fuses, relays that could be really hard to find in small towns if you're stuck in the middle of nowhere, or they can be really expensive and overpriced at the parts stores. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping. Check it out, guys. You can save a ton of money, and we always recommend to put some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. The Ignition Coil's fuse will be located in that fuse panel right here, and if you come in that right row, on the very right, you start from the very top. Even if you have a missing fuse, you count it. Number 1, 2. That fuse right here, guys, this is fuse number 99. Right here. That 15M fuse is for the ignition coils.
Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.